Petal is Blessed here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to show you how I made this. Using these items here that I got from the Dollar Tree and a bit more. Everything will be listed down below where I got them from, so you guys can check them out. So I need you to grab some tea/coffee, yeah, and a little dessert to go with that. And you know what I'm gonna say next? I'm gonna say it's time to let's get started. Okay, we are going to start with this candle holder that I got from the Dollar Tree. And we also gonna be use some of this silver ribbon that I got from BB Craft. Isn't it nice and blingy? I love this ribbon. It's very nice. Okay, so I cut the ribbon in half because I don't need it that thick, and I'll just be using some hot glue. Now remember, with this ribbon it's like a plastic texture, so just place the hot glue, put it exactly where you want it, and don't pull the ribbon. If you don't pull the ribbon, it works perfect with the hot glue, but if you stretch it, that's when the plastic will stretch with the heat. So just like I'm doing, just place it down, wrap it around, and then, well, I have to cut. And then you just place the hot glue and just place it down. There we go. Okay, now we have this little round vase here. And we have a tea light candle holder that we got both from the Dollar Tree. And we are going to use some E6000 and a bit of hot glue and glue them together. Remember, you could use any adhesive that you would like to use to glue down your project. I like the E6000 and the hot glue. Now we're going to use these little gems here, these little crystal glass gems that I got from Dollarama, but you can get, Dollar Tree has the different shape ones, but any one you use will be fine. I have these ones, which I got from Dollarama. And I am going to glue them just going right around the base of the tea light holder. Now we have this plastic bowl that I got from the Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 4, I believe it was. Yeah. So we are going to take this with some of the mirrored sheets, the 5x5 mirrored sheets I got from Amazon, and we are just going to glue them going right around the bowl. Now, because the bowl is plastic, the adhesive on the strips will stick perfectly to them because it's plastic. And now we are going to add some of the bling ribbon going right around our bowl. And again, I'm just using some hot glue to glue it down. Remember, I told you don't pull the strips, just use the glue and glue it down. And you know, you can use any adhesive that you would like to use, E6000, anything that you'd like to glue down the strips on your project. And here we go, our bling ribbon is all down. Doesn't that look nice? So now we are going to use some of our bling wrap, which I cut into strips from Totally Dazzled, and glue them going down both sides of our mirrored strips. There's no way that I can do this all by myself. You stay on my mind. So now our bling wrap is all the way around our mirrored pieces. Doesn't that look nice? I love how it's looking so far. So now we are going to use some glitters. And we're placing it on the top of our bowl. Yeah. So we're just going to use some Mod Podge mixed with the glitter And then we're going to place it on the top of our bowl. And I'm just going to place the glitter everywhere, and then I'll let it set aside and dry for a few hours. Alright, so now our glitter mix is all dry. Oh, it looks really nice. I like how it looks. So now we are going to take these pieces here that I got from Amazon. These little pendant pieces, they're so nice. Now we are going to add them to our lampshade. Now I'm using the hot glue gun, and remember my lampshade is plastic, and I'm boring a hole. Just take the hot glue, don't press the glue to come out, just hold your gun and press a hole going through the plastic. And then you just add the little pendant in, and there we go. Voila! Isn't that cute? I love it. Now let me show you one more time. Sometimes you have to press it through more than once, but just, you know, the hot glue is hot. The gun is hot, I mean, not the glue. So just press the gun through the hole, and sometimes you have to press it more than once because the plastic is a little stubborn. When you pull back out, the little piece of plastic you pulled out comes back in. So just do it until you get that little knob out that's in there. I'll show you in just a minute. 'Cause no one can tell me who to love. No one can tell me. There we go. See the little piece of plastic? There it is. It came out. And then you can just put your pendant through it. Okay, here's our lampshade now, looking all nice. And the pendants are sticking through, which is very nice. So I'm going to take this little knob here that I got from Amazon also, and just hot glue it to the top of our lampshade. Now I have one of the little LED push lights that I got from the Dollar Tree. You can also get them in Dollarama. Yeah, but I got this one from Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to take some of the bling ribbon that I cut in half again, and I'm just going to glue it going right around because it's going to show through our lampshade, because it is our light bulb in our lampshade that we are making. So I'm just blinging it out a bit with the bling ribbon. If loving you is wrong, I don't want to be right. If loving you is wrong, I don't want to be right. Okay, now we have all our pieces here together. So I'm going to take this candle holder here, and I'm going to use some E6000 and some hot glue, and we're going to glue it to the upside down vase that we have here. And now I'm just going to place some of the little stones inside the top part of the tea holder. And now we're going to take our little LED push light and put it into the bottom of our lampshade. So I'm just going to put some glue here, some hot glue, and then just stick it to the bottom of our lampshade. And there it's in there now. You could just push it on. And then we just place it to the top of our lampshade, just like that. And here is our finished look, our glam decor lamp. I think it looks very nice. I love how it turned out. Nice, glam, and elegant. And it was so simple and easy to make, using items from the Dollar Tree and a little more, Amazon, BB Craft, and Totally Dazzled. Mostly the Dollar Tree though. And we have a glam, elegant lamp decor. And here it is with the LED light turned on. I think it looks lovely. I didn't dim the room very much. I just turned off the lights that were above me, but you could still see how nice it looks. You could see that the LED light is on inside. And this is how it looks displayed on the side table right beside my couch. I think it looks lovely. It's a lovely piece of decor for your home. But of course, you could place it anywhere throughout your home, even in your room, on your coffee table, anywhere you choose to display this. It will make a lovely gift for someone also. It looks very nice. It looks glam and elegant. Like I said, a lovely piece of home decor for your home. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's glam and elegant lamp decor. Yes, I love how it turned out, but tell me what you think about it. And if you're new here, I hope you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye, everyone.